this is Rozz Lewis from Mash.ie and this is Mash 3 Ways. Mash 3 Ways is a brand new series that is going to give you 3 ways for you to teach or learn about a topic or theme. So let's have a look at our first theme. This episode or theme is going to focus on the theme of Earth Day. It happens every year on the 22nd of April. It's a modern environmental movement and it began in the 1950s. Its message this year, changes them every year, is simple: climate change. What I've done is with every theme, I will create a Mash grid that is going to have loads of ideas about teaching or learning about Earth Day. But for now, until you look at that grid, here are just 3 ways with Earth Day that you can use straight away. The first way with Earth Day that I would like to bring your attention to is to take a quiz. So you or your child can go onto the Earth Day website and you'll find lots of different quizzes there on any aspect of Earth Day, from climate change to food production to acid rain, and it's a real fun way for your child to check their knowledge of the environment. The second way with Earth Day is to host a virtual teach-in. I think this is so cute. Your child could teach something online that's related to the environment. They could film a nature trail or back garden exploration, and the Earth Day website will even give you a place that your child can register their event online. My final and third way for Earth Day is to engage in some climate change friendly recipes. An Earth Day website has loads of simple climate friendly recipes like overnight oats for breakfast, pasta and veg for lunch, and banana bread. They all sound yummy. And this will really encourage your child or your learner to look into climate change and for really small things that they can do to improve the earth just by eating more plants. It's really simple. That is your lot, and I hope you enjoyed Mash's 3 ways with Earth Day. Please subscribe to our channel, Mash.ie, for more ideas for home learning or even extension work using a theme on Mash 3 ways. If you're selling any product about Earth Day, make sure you do tag them with the tag Earth Day, and you're going to find all the videos that I'm making for this series and the other series, Lockdown, on our IGTV channel and our YouTube channel as well. Thank you so much for listening to it. It's been great, and until the next time, take it easy.